Hi there, my name is Kristi Falk with the Diabetes Wellness Council. I am the founder and executive director as well as a diabetes educator. Today I want to talk about keto just a little bit more, do a little deeper dive, and start by saying that keto is not cookie cutter. There is no one size fits all, and that can go with any type of lifestyle and any disease, because we're all so different, we're individuals, and we're going to respond differently to different foods, stress, medications, everything. What works for me may not work for you. Like I said in the last video, people can be vegan, vegetarian, on the ketogenic lifestyle. Again, vegan is a little bit more complicated, but it can be done. And there's keto carnivore, eating only meat. There's traditional ketogenic lifestyle, which is low carb, high healthy fats, and moderate protein. And then there's what's called dirty keto, which means you're still eating low carbohydrate, but it's a lot about convenience, but sticking within those ratios of carbs, fat, and protein. And it works for some people, but not everyone. You just have to figure out what works best for you. I know I like to try just about every way to see what works best for my body, because again, I'm going to be different than you. Now, I know that some people will lose weight fairly quickly when they adopt a ketogenic lifestyle and become what's called fat adapted. And other people tend to struggle. And there can be several different reasons for this. Perhaps something that person who's struggling is eating is causing a weight loss stall. Maybe it's a trigger food. Maybe they have an unknown allergy to it. One of the biggest culprits is dairy, especially cheese. So I like to recommend removing that food from your diet for at least 2 weeks and seeing if that helps, and then slowly adding it back in. Some people, it could be eggs. There's just different triggers that can be happening. Another reason that you may have problems with weight loss is portion control. It is about what you're eating, but it's also about how much. Now remember, fat is higher in calories than protein and carbohydrates. So if you're eating a bunch of extra fat, you can stall or even gain weight. I had a client who went through my coaching program to reduce or reverse her fatty liver disease. And she actually needed to gain weight. So she added more fat into her diet. Her fatty liver disease went away, and she gained a couple pounds that she needed. So it's, that extra fat and calories can be an issue. So I recommend reading labels and checking the serving size. When you check the serving size, think about how much of that you actually eat. A bowl of cereal, no matter what kind, can actually be 2 or 3 servings. So you have to keep that in mind. Now, another reason is that, the ketogenic lifestyle and ketogenic living is not just about weight loss. It's also about healing the body. Women who have PCOS or thyroid issues or other hormonal issues, they need that to heal first. So I always tell people to focus on healing the body, then the weight loss will follow. But you have to be patient with the process, because we didn't gain the weight overnight, and it will take time to lose it. You just have to trust it, be patient, love yourself, and do what works for you. Because again, we're all different. Nothing is cookie cutter in this world. So this is a reason that having a ketogenic lifestyle coach can be so beneficial. You know, there's so many people out there trying to do it on their own because of things they read on the internet. And you know, people can do it, can be successful that way. But sometimes people need a little bit of extra information, support, make sure they're doing things correctly. Maybe they need help finding out what their trigger foods are. They also need an accountability partner. So a coach can help with all of that. So it's something you can look into. If you have questions about it, please contact me, or put a message below and I will answer as many questions as I can. I am here for you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe below to this channel. And I hope you have a healthy day. Thanks.